Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of engine maintenance. In this video, I will break down the top 5 fuel injector cleaners on the market and reveal which one I found to be the absolute best. We'll be counting down in descending order, starting with my number 5 pick. Then, at the very end of the video, you'll find out which product, in my opinion, is the number 1 best fuel injector cleaner you can buy. If you're curious about checking the prices for any of these products, I've got you covered. Just check out the links in the description below, where I've linked to each and every one mentioned today. Alright, let's kick things off with our number 5 pick, the Gumout 510,013 Fuel Injector Cleaner. Now, even though it's ranked at number 5, this is still a fantastic choice, especially for those of you who are on a budget. It really excels at tackling that tough carbon buildup, particularly in engines that have clocked over 75,000 miles. It works to restore performance by specifically targeting deposits in your fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The magic behind it is a formula that uses polyethylamine technology, or PE. This stuff actively bonds to carbon deposits, lifts them right off the surfaces, and then burns them away during the combustion process. As a bonus, it leaves behind a protective layer to help stop future buildup from forming. By ensuring more efficient combustion, this cleaner can improve your fuel economy and throttle response, which helps reduce that annoying engine hesitation and rough idling that's so common in older vehicles. It's also safe to use with turbocharged and supercharged engines, and it won't harm your oxygen sensors or catalytic converters. The recommendation is to use it every 3,000 miles to keep your fuel system clean. The concentrated formula gets the job done within a single tank of fuel, making it a really practical choice for drivers who want to extend their engine's life and cut down on emissions without needing any major mechanical work. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of just marketing hype, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. Moving on to number 4, we have the Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner, model 11722. This cleaner uses advanced polyethylamine detergents to dissolve stubborn carbon deposits in your fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, which restores that optimal fuel atomization your engine needs. Independent testing has actually shown that it can improve fuel economy by up to 3.2% and restore an average of 2.6% of your horsepower just by eliminating that performance-robbing buildup. Its formulation also reduces hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide, and carbon monoxide emissions by 12%, 13%, and 18% respectively. This makes it environmentally compliant while also fixing issues like rough idling and hesitation. It's compatible with gasoline, diesel, and even ethanol-blended fuels. Plus, it acts as a stabilizer to prevent fuel from degrading during storage and works well with your emission systems. Fleet trials have demonstrated that it can clean combustion chambers 68% more effectively than its competitors, and you'll often notice the results within just half a tank of treated fuel. The concentrated formula only requires one 20-ounce treatment every 10,000 miles, making it a very cost-effective maintenance solution for both modern direct injection engines and older ones. Coming in at number 3 is Lucas Oil's Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner, model 10512. This fuel system cleaner really stands out because of its advanced polyethylamine formula that effectively tackles carbon buildup across your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. This is an alcohol-free cleaner that uses a specialized carrier fluid without any harsh solvents like kerosene or diesel. This makes it safe for your oxygen sensors while still being aggressive enough to dissolve those stubborn deposits. Fleet-tested results show that it restores engine responsiveness by getting rid of knocking and pinging caused by carbon accumulation, with noticeable improvements in acceleration and fuel efficiency. The concentrated P detergents get to work within a single tank of fuel to reduce harmful nitrogen oxide emissions and lubricate critical components like your fuel pump, which helps promote a longer engine life. Its ability to deep clean without needing high-octane gasoline makes it super versatile for cars, trucks, and even small engines. Using it regularly every 3,000 to 4,000 miles helps maintain optimal performance by preventing new deposits from forming, keeping your throttle bodies and piston rings clean for sustained power. The formula also has a low odor and is compatible with ethanol blends, ensuring a hassle-free application for both occasional maintenance and more intensive decarbonization jobs. Now for our runner-up, at number 2, we have the Motorcraft PM6 Fuel Injector Cleaner, This product stands out because of its OEM-grade formulation. It was specifically engineered for Ford vehicles, which ensures perfect compatibility and optimal performance if you drive one. It's designed to dissolve those stubborn carbon deposits, effectively cleaning your injector tips and intake valves while restoring fuel flow for smoother acceleration. The concentrated formula targets harmful buildup in the combustion chambers, which reduces hesitation during cold starts and improves your throttle response. Regular use promotes better fuel economy and lower emissions by maintaining the precise injector spray patterns that are so critical for efficient combustion. Its ability to clean without harming oxygen sensors or catalytic converters makes it a very reliable maintenance solution. Drivers often report noticeable reductions in engine knock and smoother idling after a treatment, especially in high-mileage engines. The cleaner works passively during your normal driving, making it a super convenient addition to your fuel tank during routine fill-ups. Ford's own endorsement really underscores its effectiveness in preserving injector longevity and engine efficiency, even under demanding conditions. And finally, we've arrived at the #1 spot. The best fuel injector cleaner you can get when you compare it on price to performance is the Chevron Techrun Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. This product excels with its advanced polyethylamine formula, which effectively dissolves stubborn carbon deposits across the entire fuel system. It's designed for gasoline engines, including hybrids and flex-fuel vehicles, and it cleans injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers while also fighting sulfur-related corrosion in your fuel sensors. The concentrated P technology works in just one tankful, restoring lost acceleration and engine power by optimizing combustion efficiency. Using it regularly, say every 3,000 miles or about 5,000 kilometers, helps maintain peak performance, reduces harmful emissions, and improves fuel economy by clearing out deposits that restrict fuel flow. It addresses all those common issues like rough idling, cold start hesitation, and engine knock, promoting much smoother operation. It's also compatible with ethanol blends up to E85, and this cleaner protects sensitive components without harming catalytic converters or oxygen sensors. Its ability to rejuvenate older engines and prevent deposit buildup in newer direct injection systems makes it a truly reliable maintenance tool for the long-term health of your vehicle. The formula's high flashpoint ensures safe handling, and its effectiveness in both port and direct injection engines really highlights its versatility across both modern and classic vehicles. So that sums up my top 5 fuel injector cleaners. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown and found it helpful. Remember, you can find prices for all of the products mentioned today in the description and in the comments section, so be sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.